Okay, this is Choose the Change, and we're going to work with the first pile. If you chose number 1, if you chose the bird, let's set our little bird aside here. And let's see what stone is going to help you the most. Turquoise, communication, problem solving. It helps with communication, especially speaking your truth. Our rune is the Perth rune. And I don't know if you can tell, but this crystal has a little bit of color to it. That is a tangerine crystal. Just love how beautiful that is. So Perth tells us of initiation and of the future. There is something that is hidden, and it can help us find what is going to heal us and our soul. Your vibration will make all of the difference. Okay, let's see your reading. You got Parrot Spirit. Watch your words, not only to other people, but especially for yourself. Watch your inner talk. Are you being negative to yourself? Your Moonology card, it's a time to give rather than take. Angels and ancestors tell you to trust your intuition. Our Sacred Path card tells you it's time to make some decisions for yourself. Maybe not for the world around you. This is more personal decisions about yourself and speaking your truth. And our Stone People card is Kokopelli. Remember to have a little fun, be joyful in your life, but also realize that the seeds that you plant right now are coming to fruition. And that is perfect because we're talking about the future here. Perth is about the future. So spread your wings and let yourself fly. Enjoy your day today. And remember to speak your truth. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You're being protected. And that is our first choice. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Peace, light, and love until next time.